It's time to get this roof sorted. Okay, our progress so far. So I've put back in the steering wheel, the brake pedals, connected up that brake booster, got the handbrake back in. Just makes it a bit easier rolling it around. I got it back on its wheels today. So what we're going to tackle today is the roof. I've given that a sand down with the orbital sander, 320 grit. There's a few spots where I've filled in with spot primer, spot filler. So I need to just mask down now. We're going to put a coat of 2K primer on there, and we'll let that sit because I don't know what. I'm guessing this is acrylic what was on there before. I'm not going to take this down to bare metal. That's just too much effort for what it's worth. So we'll get this masked. I'll put a strip of masking around there, a sheet over the whole car, and then we'll put some primer there. Okay, so that's how it's turned out. There's a few bits of orange peel. I'm going to try giving that a sand, cut it back, give it a buff and polish, and see how it turns out. There's some bits that are really nice, and I wish just the whole roof was like that, but alright. I'll work on it, clean up the paint a bit, and just see how it turns out. Okay, so there we have it. That's the roof. I've given it a cut down, buff and polish. There's still a few spots I need to go over. I probably need to invest in getting a better polisher, but it isn't looking too bad. There's some really fine scratches still on the top. I wouldn't say it's a good finish compared to what a person that works as a smash repairer, spray painter, their full-time job. So it's not at that level, but I don't know, maybe a bit of buffing, give it a decent buff over a decent buffer, and I reckon it wouldn't look too bad. So overall, it isn't actually that bad. So if you walk past the car, know, you'd look at it and go, oh yeah, that's a nice shiny white roof. It's only if you got it really close you might see a little bit few imperfections here and there. But overall, I'm happy with how it's turned out. Okay, so that's it for now. The next stage will be either making a start on fitting some of the interior, or just going straight ahead and just getting the outside finished painting. So I could probably do the wiring, get that done, probably at the same time, I don't know. We'll see how we go. Alright, thanks for watching my videos.